Nice night out here tonight. Got a nice breeze on the river. What's up? Shout out to William. When you come out here, you can do the $5 cruise. They give you a free drink. I got Coke. Anyhow, it's a nice beautiful sunset out here, William. It's really not that hot. I'm surprised it's not that hot for the time of year it is. I saw a crazy black dude in the street asking for money. That's kind of a weird thing to see. Looked like he had a few mental issues. Does that remind you of anyone, William? We're not talking about the same dude, but still it reminded me of that. Just for the other viewers, I'm talking about Paris. Anyways, nice beautiful night here tonight. Almost perfect weather. If you do decide to come out here, William, there's plenty of jobs out here in the capital. I was shocked at how many jobs are available in Siem Reap. It's much more mellow in Siem Reap. Here it's a little bit more like the big city. Got to be kind of careful when you're out here. Things are a little bit more expensive, but not a lot. People here are pretty nice. When I was coming into the city, I was noticing how clean it is, just like in Bangkok. The streets are very clean compared to Latin America. So not a lot of like garbage running, on the ground and stuff like that. I'm looking forward to tomorrow to looking at some apartments and condos, things like that. I'm gonna stop in a few places to see how much it costs to get some leather goods made. My sister said I'm wasting a lot of money looking for stuff like that. Anyhow, there's a skyline up there. There's a lot of skyline bars or sky bars. A lot of the bars here for happy hours, 50 cents, 75 cents for a beer. Cocktails and stuff are like $2.50. It's actually pretty affordable if you like nightlife. Anyways, the bus in from Siem Reap to here was 17 bucks. They give you free water and like a croissant with chocolate on it, or chocolate. I forget what you call it. Those little pieces of chocolate, kind of like what you get in Mexico City. I don't remember seeing anything like that in Peru, but maybe there was. There's a promenade up there. It's very beautiful up there if you want to walk or jog. I haven't gone down it far enough just to see if there's any exercise equipment, but in Siem Reap there's like exercise equipment on the river, so it's probably like that here too. I just haven't been down far enough or up far enough to see. Look like there's a wad over there. There's like a lot of boats. They're all $5. Lucky for me, if the thing capsizes, I can swim. Oh yeah, William, you asked me about the malls. I'm gonna head out there tomorrow. There's at least 5 of them. I think quite a few of the malls are like Cafe Amazon. I mean, it's like malls from Thailand that have come here. So I'm looking forward to see what they're like. It must be pretty nice. There's that boat with the dragon. A little bit up here, over there is where my hotel is, not far from here. There's a skinny building right there, just like you would see in Peru. There's a whole bunch of monks. Oh, I got a torn $20 bill today, and I pawned it off on just when I was having dinner. I was surprised the guy didn't bring it back to me. There's like a tiny rip in it, and there's some colored marks on it. Usually they won't take them, but I was kind of surprised I could pass it off on them. Anyways, got lucky, so I might try a few more bills I got like that. If you come here with torn, just a teeny tiny tear in a $20 or $50 or $100 bill, they won't change it. If you do come here, William, I think you might like it. It's pretty mellow and really not that much, from what I can tell. For anyone who's interested, I got my visa for 500 and change, and I got a driver's license for 135. You don't really need a license, but I like to have one. I use it as ID, check in hotels, stuff like that. I use my ID from Guatemala here too. They don't seem to care as long as it looks official. I need to get a new camera so I can get better footage. Anyways, that's it for now. Not much going on, just a typical tour on the river. Anyways, like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks.